It's Christmas 2024 at dahil dyan, meron tayong small gathering and eat out ng ating mga kasama sa trabaho para sa Christmas. At gaganapin nga namin ito sa Banapol sa Tuscany, McKinley Hills. It is located at Upper McKinley Hill, Taguig, Manila. Ito ay katabi lang mismo ng Tuscany, McKinley Hill na residences. Dito siya sa side na ito. So makikita mo naman siya, may mga kainan dito. Yan yung Banapol. And this is perfect guys kasi pag halimbawa gusto mong mag-parking, meron ditong parking area para sa mga motor at para sa mga sasakyan. That's free, maximum 3 hours. They are open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Dalawang palapag siya, pwede kang umorder at kumain sa baba, at sa taas puro dine-in na. Here's how it looks sa harapan, malinis at kita yung kitchen. On the right side is heading to the second floor and the stairs reminding me of the Spiral restaurant sa Sofitel. Parang ganun yung feeling, pero syempre maliit lang. And here's my teammates getting ready for the Christmas party. We ordered right away our food and it was delivered freshly cooked. Kaya mag-aantay ka na mga around 20 minutes din bago niya i-serve na medyo mainit-init pa talaga. Ito yung menu nila, nag-range ng 200 to 600 pesos. Screenshot nyo na lang for your future reference. Banapol is a restaurant chain that serves cakes, pastry, cheesecakes, and other dishes. The said restaurant humbly started in Quezon City as a home-based restaurant and then they expanded. Ito isa sa mga branch nila which is located sa McKinley. So, ang design dito and ambience is more of Italy. This is in line to the concept ng McKinley Hills na medyo Italy yung vibes. This one is the Golden Sunshine corned beef with potato and ito yung dalawang eggs nila at merong sinangag. 95 pesos, medyo malaki yung portion ng servings nila. When it comes to taste, I'll give 8 out of 10. Medyo subjective ako dito and biased dahil gutom ako nung dumating ako dito. So mag-iiba kasi yung rate mo pagdating sa appetite. Lalo na kapag gutom ka. Plus, bias ko kasi talagang breakfast meal. Ito lang hindi masyadong manghang. So, you can actually add chili flakes and paminta na libre naman. Kasi nga ako mahilig ko sa manghang para may sipa eh. Pero overall, good ang kaniyang serving. Marami. Enough para mabusog ka. This one is the Hickory Smoked Barbecued Country Ribs. Mataas lang ang carbs ito dahil may rice na nga, may corn pa. This one is the Chicken Parmesan. Yung price nito mga nasa 200 plus din pero yung servings nila sobrang dami talaga. $2.95 the braided fillet of fish with tomato honey Thai mustard sauce. Bongga ang kanilang breakfast serving talaga dito. This one is the trademark banoffee. Ito yung may Banapol na logo sa kanilang pangalan. So that means trademark siya. It's 175 pesos per slice. Ganyan kalaki. This is more of graham, banana, tapos merong icing and chocolate. This was actually bought by Queen para matikman namin lahat ang bawat hiwa. And then pag hiniwa, medyo mahirapan ka lang dahil matigas ang kanyang graham, hindi siya chewy dahil siguro frozen. But justifiable naman yung taste and yung tamis. After nga makakain ng lahat at nabusog na, we have decided na mag-change gift na kami. Our exchange gift is not a usual change gift na magpalitan lang. It's more of my storytelling and then yung storytelling na yan ay may kakibat na left and right na wording. So every time na sinasabi yung left and right, you have to give your gift na matatanggap mo going left and going right. So medyo rotation siya, counterclockwise and clockwise. Kaya kung saan titigil ang iyong regalo na mag-end yung kwento, then yun yung matatanggap mo. And it was really fun because that was my first time to have this type of exchange gift na may twist. Courtesy of Cathy. Our exchange gift is amounting to 100 pesos. Literally, it was cheap, yet full of joy. Lalo na yung nakuha ko, fun talaga siya dahil set of knives at magagamit ko talaga siya sa bahay. And I also got a gift from Cathy. OMG, I love it. Oh! Nagamit ko siya guys. Kagaya ng perfume. Oh, Akasha. Love it. Meron pa ba? Oh! Daming papeli si Mayor. Bongga, love it. Thanks so much. We ended up the party with a little bit of game and that was a really fun experience. And that was my story. Merry Christmas everyone!